Ang Panginoon, kung ating titingnan, ay ang gumanap ng kalooban ng Diyos. He is the one who fulfilled the promise of God. Kapag sinabi ng Diyos, at tandaan natin, ang Biblia ay nahati sa dalawa. Ito ay sa lumang tipan at bagong tipan. Everything the Lord said in the Old Testament will be fulfilled. As a matter of fact, the New Testament is the fulfillment of the Old Testament prophecy. Ito ay naganap. Oh, kaya kung mayroong tayong pinaniniwalaan, the Old and the New Testament are not different from each other. No, as a matter of fact, it is the fulfillment. At lahat ng katotohanan sa lumang tipan ay katotohanan rin naman sa bagong tipan.